Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will break down the top 5 best indoor grills and which indoor grills I found to be the best. I will go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best indoor grills and ranked at number 1. If you want to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description, as I have included the link to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have Cuisinart Griddler 5. Highly rated and popular, the Cuisinart indoor grill is impressively versatile with 5 different cooking configurations. The digital controls are easy to use, allowing precise temperature settings unlike many other models. Temperature ranges from 175 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in 25-degree increments, and it features a sear function that heats the grill to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in 2-minute increments for a quick, high-heat sear. One standout feature is the dishwasher-safe plates, making cleanup effortless. In addition to grilling, it converts to a griddle, perfect for cooking up to 8 pancakes at once. For extra versatility, waffle plates can be purchased separately, or you can use the 2 plates to press paninis. For easy cleanup, it's recommended to place foil or parchment paper under the back legs, as the top plate can drip grease when cooking fatty foods. This indoor grill offers excellent functionality and ease, making it a top choice for various cooking needs. At number 4, we have Ninja Foodi Smart Indoor Grill. This multitasking appliance from Ninja combines the functions of an air fryer and a powerful indoor grill in one unit. Featuring a heavy-duty grill plate and a maximum temperature of 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it excels at grilling. A medium well-flanked steak cooked quickly in about 10 minutes, though it is best suited for fast-cooking foods like hamburgers and hot dogs due to its potential for producing smoke. The appliance comes with a temperature probe to ensure perfectly cooked meat, preventing overcooking and ensuring food safety. A unique feature of the Ninja is its lid, which creates an oven-like environment, helping the appliance cook food quickly without squashing it. Ninja has consistently performed well in lab tests, securing the top spot for the best air fryer. The intuitive design and user-friendly control panel enhance its appeal, making this versatile appliance a standout in both grilling and air frying. At number 3, we have George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill. Leave it to an icon like George Foreman to create one of the best indoor grills. This model incorporates many of the beloved features of the brand: non-stick grill plates, a sloped surface, and the ability to achieve a perfect sear indoors. With ample grilling space, it's perfect for cooking for a crowd. Once plugged in, the grill offers 5 different heat settings, powered by 1,440 watts. During testing, the grill plate reached a surface temperature of around 600 degrees Fahrenheit, more than enough to create great sear marks on steak or fresh zucchini. The grill heated evenly with no noticeable hot spots, and while some smoke was produced, it wasn't enough to trigger alarms. After testing, cleaning was easy, including the grease tray. The grill plate, however, cannot be removed. A stand is included for outdoor use, but it is somewhat unstable during use, requiring a backup countertop or sturdy table. At number 2, we have Lodge Reversible Griddle. If you're looking to grill on your stove or griddle outdoors on your grill, the Lodge Reversible Griddle is a smart investment. This 20 by 10.5-inch cast iron pan works on both stovetops and even over a campfire during summer trips. While it requires 2 burners, the cast iron construction ensures it gets hot enough for perfectly cooked burgers and hot dogs in the kitchen. The pan performed well with a variety of foods, from large cuts of meat to generous portions of vegetables. Its ability to create 2 heat zones proved useful, allowing for even cooking. When flipped over to its griddle side, it cooked golden brown pancakes and personal pizzas with ease. However, due to its heavy cast iron build, the pan may not be suitable for some glass stovetops. Maintenance requires seasoning with grease, and contact with water should be limited to preserve the pan's durability. At number 1, we have Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler. The Cuisinart Griddler is a versatile, multi-use appliance designed for various cooking needs. Both grill plates are reversible, featuring a flat cooking surface on one side and a ridged surface on the other, making it ideal for use as a panini press or indoor contact grill. The hinge adjusts to accommodate thicker or thinner foods, and it can open to offer a full 200 square inches of cooking space. With the ridged surface, it transforms into an open-top indoor grill, and the flat griddle side is perfect for making pancakes or cooking foods without the risk of steaming. During testing, steaks, burgers, and chicken breasts were all grilled to perfection, with excellent sear marks. The controls are straightforward, offering specific temperature settings for the griddle and 4 heat settings for the grill panini function. The non-stick plates performed well, with melted cheese easily coming off. One downside is that the bottom plates tend to heat more than the top, requiring some attention during cooking. That's all for today. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to our channel. For more information or to check out product prices, take a look at the description below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.